Chin strap, harness.
Wow.
20 seconds.
So what are we gonna do?
Right 2, 50, 10, left 5, tightens 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 2, 50. Left 5, tightens 3. 50. Caution, left 4, drop. 50. Right 2. 30. Caution, left 2, exit over crest. Caution, okay. 100 down. Right 4. Kinks 80. Right 6 rough. Kinks 100, 200, sorry. Keep left. Caution right 5 over crest, very long, keep in. In the left 5 long, 30. Right 6 very long, tightens 5. God damn it, sorry. Over crest, into left 6, tightens 2, drop, caution.
Nope, we're early. Wait for the left 6, tightens 2. This is right 5 over crest.
This is right 5 over crest, alright, caution, left 6, tightens 2. 50. Left 5 and right 6. Brake, crest, caution into right 2. Very long. And left 5, very, very long. Opens, tightens 4, tightens 3. Ah, fuck. Here's the tightens 3. Where are we at here? 50. Flat crest, 50. Right 2, very long. Kinks, 60. Left 5 over crest. 30, left 4. And double caution, left 5 over crest.
Double caution. What's next?
30, right 3 long. 50. Crest into right 6. And left 5, tightens 4 over crest. 30. Right 4. 50, caution, left 2. 40. Right 5. Kinks 50. Keep left. Left 6 and right 4 over crest. Keep in. Into quick left 5, right 5. 30. Double caution. Left 6 over crest. Tightens 2. Drop. 50. Right 2. Into left 3. Into right 3. And left 1. 30. Right 3. Into left 3 long. 50. Rough. Keep right into right 3. Caution. Into left 4 over crest. Right 2. Left 3 long. Right 3. and left 4. 30, left 3. That's the next one, I think. Oh, 150, big crest, 50. Left 6. Caution, left 6 long, tightens 5 into right 1. Crest, into right 5 over crest.
Right 5, bump on the pavement.
On the tarmac, over crest, 50, crest, brake, left 5. 50, keep right. Caution, brake, over crest, right 4. Whoa, they're okay. Kinks 350, ooh. Caution, dirt tires, crest, 50, small crest into left 5 long. .30, right 6 over crest, kinks 100, brake, crest, right 5, into left 4, and right 2 long, don't cut. Left 3, 50, left 3, and left 5 long, tightens over crest. Into right 4, and triple caution. Keep left over crest, 100. Oh yeah, this thing. Fuck me running. 100, left 6 over crest. Can't hear you. Left 5, tightens 4. Into right 2. 20. Left 5 over crest. 30. Kinks right over crest. 100. Crest. Right 6. 30. Caution. Left 5 long. Tightens 4. Over crest. 50, right 4, don't cut. Is that this one. Left 5 over double crest. Yeah.
Right four don't.
Yep, right 4 don't cut. 70. Double caution. Left 5 over double crest onto gravel. Water bar. 50. Right 5 short. Keep in. Sorry. Into right 6. Into left 2 drop. Caution. 20. Crest. 20. Right 3. Into left 3. Into caution, crest, into right 2 long. 20. Left 3, opens tightens 5, very long. 20. Right 5 over crest, tightens 4. Into left 1, caution. Keep in. Into left 4, tightens 3. Into right 4 short. Into left 3 short. Over crest. Right 4 short, 50, rough. Into right 2, water bar at exit. Kink right. Left 5, tightens 4 over crest. Long, sorry, 50, right 5, tightens 3. And left 3 over crest. 20, right 4, and crest. 50, caution, water bar, left 4 over crest. 30, right 5 over water bar, keep in. No, I just read that, god damn it. Crest, right 3. There's your right 3. And left 5.
Something over crest. We got a right 3.
And left 5. Left 5. Left 2 minus.
Yep.
Into right 3. Keep out. Kinks 80. Crest into right 2. Caution. Crest into right 2. Keep in. Left 2. Keep in. Right 3. Left 6 short over crest. Right 5, double caution, right 5 short. 50, left 5, caution, tightens, over crest, drop. And right 5, and caution, left 1. Kinks 100, crest, break, right 6, very long, tightens 3. 50, right 5. Left 2. Right 5, keep out. Left 2. 50, yep. Left 2, triple caution, yep. 50, and another left 2, triple caution.
Hit the pass. Just the fuck with him.
It went away.
There it is.
Right 3. 30. Caution, left 3. Long drop. Right 2. Right 5. That's a finisher. Woo! Nice job.
About this touch. Maybe some other things.
I know.
There's hardly any more dents in the car.
What?
How long transit do we have?
30 minutes.
Okay.
But let's see. That's 28. Yeah, might as well.